Philipp Trochter. I am from OMV Downstream, Austria. I'm doing projects. I'm in the project execution management department, responsible for major capital investment projects, mainly refining downstream.
Okay. And can I say as the reason why you came for this event?
Generally, we are interested to come to the EPC Global Forum because we are doing in the future major capital investment projects, so we are looking for partners. We are also selling our technologies, etc. So, of course, we're interested to meet here people and, of course, of the networking.
And did you meet some interesting people related to the work? Did you find somebody?
Yeah, of course. Of course, I met very interesting people of the business, and it is good to share the experience and also share future maybe to manage future obstacles together.
Okay. And what do you think about the speakers and about presentation? It was good?
I like that the speakers are very international. So it's not normal I would say in daily business that you meet somebody from I would say around the world, from Middle East, Asia, Malaysia, etc.
And what do you think about the venue? What do you think about the venue?
The venue. I love the food.
Good.
Yeah.
Good answer.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.